Maybe my camera won't freeze this time, but alright, I'm back again. This time, hopefully, it camera doesn't freeze and I don't have to do this over. But hey, before I go into this stock, I need to make a disclaimer. This is not financial advice. It is just me looking at a stock, seeing if it's worth investing in. So the stock I'm looking at is Philips. Pretty much they're a healthcare company that is based off of the Netherlands, and it's just a company that builds medical device. And I just want to do a quick review over, see if it's worth investing in. They do make a decent product. A lot of hospitals do use them. It's one of the companies that does have pretty good telemetry and good equipment, and they are making newer models all the time. I do see a high volume of purchase for them, so I figure, hey, let me look at this. And the ticker symbol is PHG. And yep, let's go look at the stock. So this is the first time actually looking at this stock. Now it does say, 3 analysts does say buy. Investors do say get into it, but let's look at it, see if it really is worth it. So ratio doesn't look too bad. They do predict it going up. Let's see more. Stock earning reports. Philips shares rocket 29% as firms settle the respirator device cases. So they do have a small recall on there right now. So I'm pretty sure it's going to recover, but recover from what? Let's see. Let's look at the max real quick. When did it drop? So it looks like it dropped during COVID, which that's reasonable, but it really dropped during COVID. So year to date, it looks like it's doing pretty well. Now whenever we switch to 5 years, it doesn't look as promising. Before we look into all what people are saying, let's see who's invested in it. So top buyer, okay, it's not bad. These are the top buyers. You can look them up, but let's see who's selling. Every time I see BlackRock, and if they're selling something, I normally don't buy it. BlackRock's a very big investment company. So just because BlackRock is one of the major top seller makes me worry, because BlackRock is a major investment company. It's one of the biggest investment companies. So that right there is already telling me it's deterring me, because if one of the top analysts in the country is denying purchasing Philips, it kind of makes you wonder. So let's look at the finance. So 2023, it grew 1.92%, but the cost of goods sold growth is negative. But the gross profit grew, but the operation expense decreased, which that's not bad. I think it means decrease, but okay. They made okay amount right there. So net profit is negative 2%. I don't buy any companies that are in the negative on profit. So that right here tells me that it's making negative money every year. So Philips actually gets money back from taxes, which kind of concerns me. Earning, yeah. If you're trying to buy this stock, I can't recommend buying this stock. everything on it by looking at this. It's, let's look at the balance sheet. Maybe. Huh. So the assets went down. Fixed assets went down. Current liability went up. Long-term debt went down. Okay. Shareholder equity, 12%. Well, before anything, let's go over what the company is. So, Philips NV is a Netherlands-based healthcare technology company. The company segment includes personal health business, diagnostic and treatment business, connected care, and health information business. So health tech, other legacy devices. So it's been founded by incorporated in 2000, and it has 69,000 employees. There's no data on insider trading, so that's pretty good, I guess. Did they hit their price? Looks like they've been hitting their pricing. Let's see what have they been hitting their earnings per revenue. That's another big thing. Okay. They've been hitting their earnings report. Besides the 2019-2023, they made 6.25% more, which 2021-22, let's really exclude those with the big increase. Those are COVID years. Every healthcare software company did well those years. So I always exclude, just like how some stocks did bad during COVID. Well, if you're a healthcare company and you did bad, you probably should go bankrupt during COVID, because COVID is where they made a bunch of money. So in 2023, though, it's after COVID. All the hospitals are full with equipment. It's really hard to make sales during that time. Same thing with 2024. All these hospitals are full on equipment. They really aren't buying. Philips stocks have its best day on record. That's 2 weeks ago. Philips share rocket up 29%. That's 2 weeks ago. What the heck is this agreement? 2 weeks ago. So yeah, they had an issue. So should I buy this stock? Based off the recommendation they're giving, they're saying to buy this stock. They're not going anywhere, but they're also not that profitable. Their gross or net income is negative. In the past 5 years, they're down 12%. And if I'm looking at a company that's for 5-10 years from now, will this company be around? Yes. Will it be worth more than $27 in 5 years? Yeah, I think so. They probably be worth like 32, but it's not really that worth it, because you're gonna hold it for 5 years and it's only go up a few dollars. And I'm just gonna look at the chart again. So yeah, I don't think it's worth it. I wouldn't purchase them, not one bit, just because even though the analyst says to buy it and the target price is $28.67 in 12 months. So 12 months you hold this, it goes up $1 and a few cents for 1 year. You can pick other stocks that give you better returns, and this isn't a company I would want to own long term, just because I don't see them innovating as much. Yeah, that's it. It's that the stock isn't really worth buying. I can't find a decent stock to invest in right now. But on this one, PHG, guys, I can't say it's worth investing in. They really don't have anything worth looking at. Here's the Fidelity Investment decreased holding by 2%. So these are the top shareholder. Even Fidelity pulled out some. So, and they don't offer a dividend. So it's not really worth it. If we do go look at this and see who has the portfolio, we can see that BlackRock sold 13% in December 30. And then BlackRock sold another one. Fiduciary management, yeah, see. This one looks like a losing battle. Fidelity Investment is also one of the top seller. So that tells me Bank of America, when I start recognizing like Bank of America, PNC Finance Service, Fidelity Investment, and BlackRock selling it, and then there's an analyst telling you to buy it. This is why you don't trust what every analyst says, because all the analysts telling you to buy it, but if you look at the investors, the top sellers are these major players like BlackRock, Fidelity, Bank of America. These are investment companies, and they're selling this stock. So if they're selling it, well, what does that tell me to do? Not buy it. So I'm going to go with what the big people and what the bigger investment companies saying to do on this one, because these analytics, I don't know who does the analytics, or the analysis, but it's not a buy. It's just not. If a top investment company is selling it, you should really think about what you should do with it. I know it says buy, but I wouldn't buy it. All right. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe, and check it out next time.